Friends, this is Shukriyo and welcome to my channel SK Aquaspace. In this video, I will show you how to create substrate for your first planted fish tank or aquarium. Importance of substrate. Substrate is very important for your planted tank as it is here. Some of your plants will be planted. Some plants in the aquarium draw nourishment from the root. For such plant, your substrate is very essential. Plants also draw nourishment directly from the water. It is in the substrate your plants will propagate through runner, and in some days your aquarium will be having thick green foliage. Substrate will help you create a very beautiful aqua space as well. In this substrate, beneficial bacteria will grow, which will break down harmful ammonia into nitrate. Now, as a beginner, how will you get the substrate for planted aquarium? You can get them in any e-commerce portal. As a beginner, the problem is you might not want to experiment with so expensive soil available in the market. The solution is that you can begin with making your own substrate for your planted tank using sand and garden soil. To prepare the sand, get as much sand that you require to create an 1-inch layer in your aquarium. Wash the sand properly with normal water to remove all the dirt. Never use washing powder to clean anything that you want to use in the aquarium, or else your fish will die. Please use surgical gloves while doing this process, or else the particles will get into your nails. Then soak the sand in a bucket so that it is at least 1 inch under the water. It has to be 1 inch under the water. Keep this for at least 2 days. Then again change the water and keep it soaked for more 2 days. As it is in this process, all harmful chemical substance will be removed. Then drain the water and pour hot boiling water in it. This will kill all harmful microorganisms. Keep it for 2 hours and then drain the water and let it dry in the sun. Now this dried sand is ready to be used in the aquarium. Then I will show you how to use it in the new planted aquarium. We will now prepare the garden soil that I brought from the nearby nursery. Bring enough soil required to cover 1 inch of the aquarium base. Spread the soil like this to dry in the sun. When it is dry relatively, break them down with any heavy object and then filter out the impurities in it like small stones or leftover plants or roots. Okay, so you can take any heavy object, okay, like this, and then you break it down, okay, and then you remove all the impurities. This is some plant roots, okay, so here these are the plant roots, so you have to remove all these things. Then we have to soak the soil in a bucket of water, okay, to remove the harmful chemicals that might be present in the soil. We have to soak it for 1 day and change the water from the top. The soil will remain suspended in water and fresh water has to be added again, and it has to be kept soaked for 1 more day. Then we will drain the water and then keep the soil to dry in the sun. Now the garden soil she has been soaked for 2 days, and I will just drain out the water, and you can see the garden soil has already as a sediment. Now I have taken the garden soil in a microwave proof bowl, and I will bake it to remove the harmful microorganism and also unwanted seeds. Now I will bake the garden soil at 180 degree for 10 minutes. Yeah, I have washed the stones, and these stones will go into the decorative item in my planted tank over the substrate. Now I will place the garden soil in the as a substrate in the aquarium. So slowly you have to place the garden soil like this. Okay. So for my planted aquarium, the garden soil you can see is already in place. Okay. Then over it, I'll be placing the placing sand. Okay, so that the garden soil do not mix in water and make my water of the fish tank muddy. Now over the garden soil I have placed sand so that the garden soil doesn't come up and mix with the water and make it muddy. And the same terrain is made with the sand as well. So friends, in this way you can create the substrate for your planted aquarium. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and also leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you.